Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, if you couldn't tell, I've got some boxes. And because this video did so well last time I did one, I decided to do another Torrid unboxing haul slash how I accessorize, dress up the outfits. So yeah, if you want to see that, then keep on watching. We're gonna start with this little one here. And I think I know what this is. Well, they didn't come in a shoebox. Not that I want one, but that's surprising. But these shoes were on sale. I don't know what, and again, I'll have what product it is on the screen. They were on sale for like 20 something. I don't really remember, but I had a $20 reward, and with shipping and everything, I got these for $2.10 to be exact. But let me get all of this stuff off of it. So they are these gorgeous sandals, and if you can't tell, they've got rainbow jewels on them. So when I saw these, I was like, those are me in a shoe, because they've got black detail and then rainbow jewels. So yeah, and I believe these will fit. Like I said in my other video, Torrid, their sizing is so weird to me. Oh yeah, I finally figured out my size, yay. But yeah, I cannot wait to wear these. I'm probably going to wear them sometime this week. I've got a pedicure, so don't have to worry about my toes looking bad. But where's my scissors? These are originally $35.50, and then they were like 35% off, and then I had a reward, so not bad for $2.10. I also took this box, which I've had on hand for quite a while. I've just been waiting to film this video, because like I said, it did surprisingly well. So I'm thinking Torrid has just got away from shoe boxes. Or unless they don't do that with sandals, I don't know. Go over there. Okay, so I'm gonna set the box on the floor and pull stuff out. So the first thing is these espadrille sandals. Once I get them all out of the packaging. And get everything out of them. Alright. So they are these espadrille sandals. These are super cute. And they look to be adjustable, so that's good, because again, like I said, I'm gonna double check real quick. Yeah. Yep, they fit. Okay. I now know my Torrid shoe size. So these were $39.50, and I think I got them for that price. But these are super cute. I don't really have sandals like these, and I've wanted a pair, so. Oh, what was that? But the color is neutral, so they'll go with everything. And I really feel like you could either dress these up or down. But we're getting near summer. Like, it was the first day of spring over the weekend. But it just feels so amazing outside. Like, literally, after I film this video, I'm just going to sit on my porch and read. I love this weather so much. Alright, so this is the next item that I got, and I actually got this to wear with those sandals. So, oh, it's so pretty. It is, let me stand up so you can see it. This white bow top sundress. And it's so pretty. I have a feeling that I'm going to have to wear some kind of cami under this when I wear it to school because Torrid stuff likes to be low cut and you can't be like that in a school. But yeah, that's so pretty. And what I like about it is that it has elastic in it, so that's really handy. But I mean, I'm normal in all of Torrid sizes. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this with a jean jacket and those sandals. So cute. Might wash that and actually wear that sometime this week. And then the last thing that I have is, if I can get it open, this dress. And the same thing for it, I'll have to wear some kind of cami under it if I wear it to school. Or is this a romper? I thought this was a dress. You learned something new every day. I don't know what it is, but it is this maxi dress, I'm going to assume, because I thought it was. But I cannot wait to take pictures with this because it'll probably show better when I actually take pictures with it. But it's like a maxi, but it's open in the front, so it's like a cape. I love dresses like this. But I've got black strappy, like lace up gladiator type sandals that I'm going to wear with this. And yeah, just, I think I could wear that at school. Is it a romper? Or I think it's a romper, and if it is, then I couldn't wear it because technically it'd be shorts. I think it is a romper. But anyway, it's super cute. I like it. I just thought it was a dress. That was this haul. Go away. And yeah, I really like all of those pieces. I can't wait to try them out, show them to you all. I'm really thinking of going ahead and washing my white dress and wearing that this week because I've been needing to plan my outfits. And yeah, so I might do that because it's supposed to be really warm this week, so a good sundress material or weather. But yeah, so that was again another quick unboxing, look how I style this type of video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please stick around for other videos that I have in the near and distant future, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Come and get it.